Welcome to Twitter Account Manager. With this tool, you can create hundreds of Twitter accounts in minutes. Also, it's easy to use. You can use this tool with Tweet Attack Explorer. Let's get started. By clicking Add Account button, you can add a single account. Also, you can click Import Account to import multiple accounts. The uppercase letters of your username must be correct. Input your password and click Add button. Select your account. Edit your account here. Now you can just by clicking Update Profile to change your account's info. You can either import from your prepared file or just use random sources. You can see all the process from the log. It takes time to finish. When update finished, you can clear up logs. You can update avatar here. Either update randomly or import from your pictures folder to use them randomly. Bind proxy is necessary if you are going to manage or create multiple accounts. Here's how to register account. Very easy, click Register button. Use a random name or import from your file. That will be your Twitter's username. Here is where you import your emails. Please note the format here. You can change the separator as well. Protocol is important. It can decide whether the register successfully. You can see your account on the list.